staple the papers کاغذونه سټیپل کړه staple the papers don't lose the documents کاغذونه مه ورکوه don't lose the documents make a report یو راپور جوړ کړه یعنی یو ریپورت جوړ کړه make a report don't delay the report راپور ځنډوه ما don't delay the report sit properly سم کینا sit properly don't make noise شور مکوا don't make noise talk politely په نرمۍ سره خبرې کوا talk politely don't argue with boss د بوس سره بحث مکوا don't argue with boss finish your work خپل کار تر سره کړه یعنی خپل کار مکمل کړه finish your work buy the ticket ټیکټ واخله buy the ticket don't lose the ticket ټیکټ ورکوه ما don't lose the ticket wait for the bus د بس انتظار کوا wait for the bus don't run on the platform په پلیټفارم منډې مه وهه don't run on the platform sit in the bus په بس کې کینا sit in the bus don't stand at the door د ور سره مه ودرېږه don't stand at the door fasten the seat belt کمربند وتړه fasten the seat belt don't forget the seat belt کمربند مه هېروه don't forget the seat belt book the taxi taxi book کړه book the taxi don't cancel the ride سفر مه منسوخ کوه don't cancel the ride show me the route ما ته لار وښیه show me the route don't take a long route په اوږده لاره مه ځه don't take a long route ask the driver د ډرایور نه پوښتنه وکړه ask the driver یا تاسو ویلی شئ ask the driver د چلوونکي نه پوښتنه وکړه don't disturb the driver ډرایور تنګوه مه don't disturb the driver don't forget the change بقایه مه هېروه don't forget the change cross the road په سړک تیر وځه cross the road walk on the footpath په پیدل لاره ځه walk on the footpath don't walk in the middle په درمیان کې مه ګرځه don't walk in the middle buy a train ticket د ریلګاډي ټیکټ واخله buy a train ticket don't miss the train ریلګاډي د لاسه مه ورکوه don't miss the train یعنی ریلګاډي مه میس کوه carry your luggage سامان دی اوسه carry your luggage don't leave the luggage سامان مه پرېږده Don't leave the luggage. Enjoy the journey. د سفر نه لطف واخله. Enjoy the journey. Call the doctor. طبيب راوغواړه. Call the doctor. Don't delay the call. Call ځنډوه ما. Don't delay the call. Take the medicine. دوايي وخوره. Take the medicine. Don't skip the dose. دوايي مه پرېږده. Don't skip the dose. Drink some water. اوبه وڅښه. Drink some water. Don't drink cold water. یخې اوبه مه څښه. Don't drink cold water. Check the blood pressure. د وینې جریان وګوره. یعنی blood pressure وګوره. Check the blood pressure. Don't ignore the symptoms. علامات مه نظر انداز کوه. Don't ignore the symptoms. Call nurse. دایي راوغواړه. Call nurse. Don't disturb the nurse. دایي مه خفه کوه. Don't disturb the nurse. Take rest. آرام وکړه. Take rest. Don't get up quickly. ګړندې مه پاسه. Don't get up quickly. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.